Once the work gets done though, the next question in your culture stack is really, how are you celebrating those accomplishments? How are you celebrating the fact that that work got done? And this is really a core piece of assembly. So we have this flow called give recognition. And give recognition is really about taking a moment in your day and encouraging not just yourself, but encouraging yourself and your team to go and see what work is getting done, and who contributed to that, who went above and beyond, and then taking a moment to actually go and recognize them for that work. So if we look at our give recognition flow here, we have a feed that's really rich with people being called out by leadership, people being called out by their peers, people being called out by their reports for just doing great work, right? And it's, as a receiver of that, it feels good that your work is seen. And as a recipient, you feel good knowing that this person knows that they're seen. So that's part of how we use give recognition as a flow in order to make our people feel seen, recognized, respected. And they can actually go from there and use those points that they're being given, use those points that you're rewarding them with to actually go and purchase rewards like gift cards, various culture rewards. They can donate those points to charity. So it just makes the deal a little bit sweeter.